In this video, I show you how to open PDF file in WhatsApp. For doing this, go to Play Store, install any PDF viewer software like Google Drive, install or update Google Drive, or you can install any other software like PDF viewer, install it. Now open WhatsApp. Now open your PDF file, click on it. You can see that PDF is opening. You can also change another PDF viewer. Now you can see that PDF opening. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.